At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to help you throughout your project. Today, we're going to talk about the UNICLIC fitting system. The nice thing with UNICLIC is you can lay the boards either using the short joint or the long joint. Before we get started, we want to explain that this video is purely a demonstration of how the UNICLIC fitting system works. We would always advise that you use a professional fitter whenever laying flooring. Let's get started. The UNICLIC fitting system is made up of two parts. The first is the tongue and the second is the groove. The groove is always easy to identify as it's the wider of the two. So to lay the board in place, simply take the tongue section, connect to the adjoining board, push down to the ground. Okay, we've just shown you how to fit using the long edge of the board. We're now going to show you how to fit using the short edge. Simply take the groove section of the board and engage with the tongue section of the board that's already been laid. Bring the board as close up to the long edge of the board that I'm kneeling on and lower down to the ground. Slightly raise one edge, pull back towards you until the board engages, and then lower down to the ground. And there you have it. We've just shown you how to use the UNICLIC fitting system on the short edge and the long edge of the board. In every pack that you receive, there is also installation instructions which we would encourage you to follow too. But if you do have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.